Well, we were quite honored in that several years back, Rolling Stone recognized Vicente Sederberg as the first powerhouse marijuana law firm. As someone that's been reading Rolling Stone for decades, that was cool to see our name in there. But I think it also speaks to the fact that we were doing this early. There were just 3 of us when we started the firm in 2010, and then we really brought in some high-level business lawyer chops. You know, folks that were coming out of big law and coming to work at Vicente Sederberg that really brought that mentality of, you know, how do we best service our clients? We'll do whatever we can. And now we have 80 strong full-time staff members, and we're unique in that all our staff does every day is work on cannabis law and policy. We advise governments as well as business owners on how to navigate cannabis laws. So that's anything from, you know, writing new medical marijuana laws to helping people open up hemp or ancillary businesses and everything in between.
We see a lot of investors coming into the space and a lot of money who think that they can reinvent the wheel in terms of how to create the best brand or launch the best company. But sometimes what they're lacking is real understanding and appreciation of the plant and the products produced from the plant.
You know, this is a very unique area of law. There's a lot of unknowns for someone that hasn't practiced in this space before. That's why it's important to bring in specialized cannabis counsel, because there's a lot of risks that just aren't obvious to someone that hasn't practiced in this space before, and we can work hand in hand with your existing counsel to get you where you need to be.
More than anything, the cannabis market needs actual intelligence that looks into the opportunities and doesn't really gloss over the differences between states and the difference between those market opportunities. People
should be excited about getting into this industry. There's tons of opportunity. It's the dawn of a great industry, and we don't see that many times in our lifetimes. But we have to keep in mind that this is a bit of a different space. The regulatory environment and the risk profile is simply different than any other industry we've ever seen. So that's where we come in. We've been doing this. We've counseled thousands of marijuana businesses. We've helped keep people out of trouble. And so we're able to kind of spot a lot of those potholes, so to speak, and help you land on your feet.